This makeup video will show you how to create winged liner for little eyes. The first step is using a small angle brush, and I'm dipping it into a black eyeshadow. This one is a Late Stillness, and the reason I'm using an eyeshadow first is to trace the shape that I want to create. That way, if you're using something like a long-wearing eyeliner, if you make a mistake, it's not going to be too difficult to remove. And the reason I'm asking Amanda to keep her eye open while I'm doing this is because we want the line to show while her eye is open. So if we trace that shape when the eye is open, we don't have to worry about her opening her eye and then the line being totally crooked. I'm also using the angle of the bottom lash line rather than the top. The next step is to use a liquid or gel liner, and you can see that I'm slightly pulling up the eyelid. That way I can get it right as close to the lashes as possible, and this just creates more darkness, more depth. It's important to line the eye right across and to deepen it right into the inner corner. And I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. So tracing the shape first with a black eyeshadow. Again, I'm slightly lifting the lid to get as close to the lash line as possible, and I'm creating the wing from the bottom lash line rather than the top. That way it angles right out rather than too far up into the mobile lid. If it goes too much into the mobile lid, we will lose that line when Amanda's eyes are open. And remember that when you're creating a winged liner for a little eye, you don't necessarily have to create a large or dramatic wing for it to look dramatic on a small eye. And the last step is to add some mascara, making sure you're getting right into the lash line. We don't want any light coming between the lashes and the winged liner. So if you do this properly, it'll create a dark, dramatic winged line. We hope you learned some tips for creating a winged liner for a little eye, and hopefully you have some more success creating this look for yourself. If you are interested in purchasing any of the products used in this video, you can head over to our website at www.thegreenbeautycollective.com.